Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to turn off all private chats notifications on Telegram app. Go to your phone menu, find the Telegram app and tap on it. Click on the left menu. Now go to Settings. Under Settings section, tap on Notifications and Sounds. Under Notification for Chats section, toggle the button next to Private Chats to turn it off. That's it. All private chats notifications are turned off on Telegram app. This is how you can turn off all private chats notifications on Telegram app. Thank you for watching.